staying at the Village Hostel. Hostel? It's like a hotel and a hostel. It's got a dormitory, but it's got rooms. And it's down this really big windy road. Which takes like what, 5, 6, 7 minutes to walk down?
Oh yeah.
So it's really secluded from the rest of the city, which is great.
Yes.
Like city and beach are right outside, and then you come back here and there's not a sound. You can hear the bugs and the birds, and it's really
Very
nice.
good location.
Oh, a little bit pricey, but I think we're paying about $25 per night.
Pricey for us, not to everyone else.
Pricey for our cheap asses.
Hello. So sweet.
Hello.
So sleepy. Hello. Purr? Shake it, shake it, shake it. Purr, purr.
Hi! We're in Langkawi, Malaysia, and it's actually a second full day here, but we've just been enjoying all the beach and beautiful weather here. And we're on Cenang Beach. Cenang Beach. We were told a great place to go for New Year's, so we're here and enjoying the weather. Taney said that she would go in the water every day while we were in Langkawi. It's so beautiful here. We always say it's so beautiful, but it's really, really good here. It's the best beach we've had so far. I don't think we'll find better very easily.
Restaurant. We ordered nasi goreng fried rice with chicken. Nasi goreng machito. Now. so angry. Ethan took video whole time on the beach and I swam. I swam alone. I missed Ethan a lot, but whatever, it was super cool. The beach is the best beach that I've ever been, and the water is very calm and it's very good. Sunny day, everyone's chill. I love here. What about you?
Here's awesome. So we actually got our drone yelled at
Yeah, right.
by some old white guy. Not because of the noise, which is kind of annoying. Sounds like a bunch of bees.
Yeah.
But apparently we were spying on people and watching everyone in their ugly bathing suits and bikinis. even though like they're only the size of ants on the drone. Oh well.
Yeah, but we can understand.
Haters gotta hate.